This video answers the query how to buy shares of COPT Defense Properties and shows the basic process. Defense Properties owns specialized real estate serving defense contractors and related infrastructure. The company trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CDP. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and this walkthrough uses eToro as an example. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and you will need to add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CDP to find the asset. Confirm you select COPT Defense Properties from the search results to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent performance. Double-check the name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to confirm this is the right share. To buy, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details. Confirm the order to place it, noting that if the market is closed, the order may be queued until it reopens. If there are insufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the example eToro link is in the video description if you want to explore the platform.